Mom. Don't disappoint me.
Show me the photos. Your phone's
It's my mom's new boyfriend. I'm going to tell her, can you imagine? All right, your mom. And action. So, sis, where's that?
Chumi angazi ukuthi ngenzeni.
Chumi ubonani so I'm a boy to about Denise. You understand? Okay. Oh yes.
Chumi amaphuzu asavumelekile esikolweni kodwa.
Chumi, we're in grade 10 now. Ngeke senze amaphuzu I'm beginning to think about it.
Okay.
Okay. Go.
We're big girls now. This year's class photo is more than just a photo. You find a name, practice round for matric dance photos, tombas on shadow. So while I was practicing my killer pout, Ubaba was proudly taking over from Mom as Ayanda's new tutor.
From now on, you must have a teacher. Your pass to grade R, I'm a distinction.
Oh, that's not how you do it.
Hey.
Where's Mom when I need her?
Lalel, banana. Besa uchilana, avocado.
Avocado.
Lalel, it's an avo, it's bigger. It's avocado. I'm telling Mama, avocado.
Avocado.
La pala de avocado. Oh. Ava.
Avocado.
Welcome to my world, my life, my family, my friends. My highs, my lows, my ups, my downs, my future, who knows? My dad, pretty laid back. Oh, mama want me, always on my case. My sister, pain in the my little, there's a messy budget. My girls, who knows modella? Who's gonna choice? They come with the package. We are for a JJ, love my life. This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Sunday is diary.
Chanika, that's the homework.
Oh, my room, change.
Hey, no. Hi, man. And what was going on, Madam?
Look right.
But what I declare, eh? A 10 out of 10. I'm not about Chablele, I'm about Pelway, which you told Ganjana. I'm a right.
Becky, for a long one, she will TV.
Chelas. What am I telling you for him? You throw it, man.
TV. How?
Yo? You guys are to someone like a Mosai's college competition.
Oh, Ninja, look at the number one loser. And think what you want to come down.
But talk about beg a loser, beg. Beg. A share in one.
Upside down.
No?
Two sad faces.
Oh, I'm annoyed. What do you love? No, let me just no problem, man.
I'll take over from here.
Take over, Ganjan. Hey, who busy at home when this is the Zaka?
Oh, no, what don't you simple as young baby? Yeah? Who simple. Spelling same more. See wrong.
Oh, yeah, I'm not spelling this wrong. When I chunga. And Lale, Lana. I know what you guava. Pala, guava. Guava. GWAVA. Guava.
On
Tell Marianne, banana, watermelon, rapu.
Hey.
RH. Hey. Rap.
Can't you scream around? I didn't want to go in smoke. Can't you want a pimple? You're saying what?
Photo day esikoleni namhlanje lempela ngiphelele. So we tried everything. Mom's wig made me look like Oprah's early days. Any bugos like mama just seemed to magnify the pimple.
Mara baby paying angel. Yes, when you paying a zoom, and I'm paying a zoom, what getting good, and I got bad.
Ah, Peggy. People living. Like what a Neximo. Really, Mama?
Yeah. So it's not that bad.
No.
Not really. If you look like a baby rhino.
Ayanda just took it from bad to worse.
Hela, mañana. How you doing? Photo day. Are you ready for your post game?
Yeah, can't wait.
Injo. Nyano.
Hayi ngonyana, it's not even like that. Ngithembisa ukuthi angeke ngihleke.
Ngihlekani?
Do you think anyone who's going to notice?
No, Chama, notice small waters,
Hi guys, Ninjani.
Oh. If you pull any gaga. As long as what's in red nose day, I want a lady. I'll do nani. Leave for AK-47.
You want my friend? When we tell, no one's gonna notice it.
I don't, Chomi. I mean, like, what did you like? Unekala nje elincane elikhulayo la.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. It's a nigga story goes.
Somo yena muthuma. Hana nik so harmless. Yena waqina. Eish. What harmless?
Yilo nto kanye kummelwane kamkhulu wayecinga ngala pitbull yommelwane wakhe sithetha nje ngoku she has a deformed face.
So nana hore Mbube a ka re loma difahleho.
Oh sisi njengenzeni asijongile yiyo ngqole la pitbull ejonge ummelwane kamakhulu wam.
Okay, Joyce, ke bua le. Mbube. Why jalo go tona tse mahlo?
Hayi ngithi ngiyachecka nje ukuthi Makinyi Mbuzi wayiqinisile na.
Makina what? Elo bua ka eng?
Makinyi Mbuzi inyanga yami. Yabona wathi ubambo lwami isithandwa sami kuba umuntu omncanyana ngomzimba. Umuntu onobuso obuncane nekhala elide.
Kyatsiba kiluzise oitinyana. But naluena Mbube. Bana kumsado obujwa how?
Yabona Makinyi Mbuzi wathi kuba umuntu omhlophe. Uyabona okhanyayo ngebala. Hayi wena.
Fine. Like bua fela anyway. Ke fela ke msado obujwa how and anyway Joyce o sebeletsa nna.
Makoti.
Ongisa ka jwale.
Ungakwazi ukuthi ungikhulumele naye mhlawumbe.
Ubani?
Ha mama kodwa angithi phela yazi ukuthini bangabe ngamthola nje ngempela sashada naye. Ngizophuma empilweni zenu and then ngaphinde nje nize nibe nenkinga ngama. Well, no pardon babantwana.
Kita zama.
Oh, friend, come on, it's not even that big.
Yeah, but umzwilo dima ngathi it looks like it's sucking the brains out of my head. Yeah, kodwa nawe cishe uhleka ungaske uthi ungibone ekseni.
Mina, hleka. Never, Choma. Never. It's not even that big, ukuthi ngangihlekisa, Choma.
Okay, so you're saying it's big, but it's not big enough ukuthi ngahlekisa.
No, I mean, no. It's, ma'am.
Yes, my darling.
Ma'am, we need your help.
Trouble. Boy trouble.
No.
You don't have to be scared to ask me about what happens between a boy and a girl.
No, ma'am, it's not boy trouble.
Oh.
No, it's...
Ma'am, it's class photo day today.
Don't worry. It's nothing that a little bit of makeup can't fix. Do you know that pimples are your body's way of telling you that you're ready to reproduce? If you were to go with a boy right about now, that
Ma'am,
would...
just the makeup.
Okay. Sweetheart, can you hold this for me?
Yeah.
This stuff, when I was pregnant with my third child, covered everything right up. You should have seen me. I looked like Frankenstein. Okay. It's a little bigger than I thought, but this is going to cover it right up. No worries. Let it cover it. One more little dab. There we go. All done.
How do I look? That's all you say. Futhi ulisilo ngiyambona ngathi uyisidumbu
Hayi, thula hashtag full stop net. Walk.
It's not that bad.
Should I use some more?
Kunini ngimile? Kanti ufuna ukukhuluma nami ngebreak na?
Okay, first of all, angikhulumi nabazali during class time. I take my students very seriously.
Hey, now I take my job very serious. And wena umncane yini ufunda la kule class now?
Okay, first of all, angeke nje weshiwenyuka njengoba uthanda sikhulumisane kahle. Ngiyabonga. You can take a seat, please.
Take your seat where?
Take a chair.
Siphatha lesikole fees for lokho. Ndlala ngathi yazi. Hayi. Yes, kwenze. Yeah.
Okay, njengoba bengisisho. Angizange abe nenkinga no-Ayanda before umntana ohlakaniphile.
Obvious uhlakaniphile umntanami. Ben-expecteni nini? Ngicela sikhulume indaba lobuso obukwatile obugcwele encwadini zomntanami.
Sizibiza ngama-sad faces.
Yeah, kona lo.
Okay, njengoba ngisasho. Kulamalanga uvese washintsha nje angazi mhlambe is there something going on at home? I mean, her performance has taken a drastic turn for the worst.
For the worst. Mara umsebenzi wenu musukuthi abantwana asumsebenzi hey mana kanti uzenza zinjani na ungangibani ngale ndlela ongibamba ngayo.
Are you flirting with me?
Let mina never asikhuluma ngaloku sobukwatile.
Utake mina usanda qala ukusizwa yanda ngemfundo zakhe. Ubani bemsiza before?
Ufuna ukusizwa yimi lo mntwana why kanti?
Okay. Yazi, Mr. Zulu, the only way ingane yakho izothola ama-smiley faces is if she gets the answers correctly. Simple logic.
Mara amanzi akahlala correct laphana mos.
They're not.
Uzama ukuthi mina ngidom.
That's not what I'm saying.
No, uthi ngidom awuthi amanzi akho correct and yimi omfundisayo uthi yimi odom njengoba ubize mina la.
Okay, Mr. Zulu, ngicabanga ukuthi sesiqedile la. Thank you.
Hayi nina attitude nina attitude. Ina silungu ngoba khona zwala attitude.
So, Joy. Unanangena?
Mbube. Hayi man ubufanana nje obungaqhelekanga yazi.
She, ubufanana obungaqhelekanga. Waziba ke Joyce? Andiqala ukubona le bag. Hey, ke ne ke bona ale mobi. Ale motho. Ju, e ka re midnight.
isithuba so-20.
Hey, le wa ka o na mmisa bobe.
Oh, shit.
Bobe ke o tlo batla tswa.
Ai, shit, man.
Bona today. Re na le 16 years ra nyalane.
Bana wa ka. O bapedi.
You, hayi sisi ndiyawathanda amadoda mntaseka. Kodwa ke noma sekuthiwa ngumbube ngaba ndime ehlabathini liphela. Hayi sisi ngixola uziqhukisa kamntaka bawo ndiyimuvi.
He's not that bad.
Who's not that bad?
No one.
Yeah.
Hey baby. Why was that lunch? Lunch?
hayi bengibhizi man baby man yazi ena ngifuna ucabanga ukuthi benye esikoleni saka-ayanda yabo
Sikolo sayanda.
ya man u-ayanda lamalanga akaphasi kahle man so ngithi yazini angifuni ukuba ngathi mina benye esikoleni somntwana sengilo nabo mistress he u-ayanda akaphasi kahle so ngithi ya
Okay, baby. Maybe la pila bona. Ke na o re kitchening microwaving ona le dijo.
yatshaya imikhona
A cha teng.
kasubalane ngaka
Ungena phi ngokona?
Moza,
Sko. Ke njalo ka dikatse.
angazi mina phathela amakati.
Hey, o rekisa dikatse.
Yeah.
Sko ke la bona magotlo mo.
Moza, onawo amagundwane.
A ke re o se wa bona.
Moza ngizokuthengisela kusasa futhi yabo. Amagundwane adlale lana. Yabona lela amakati. Wasavuka yes akijimisa ke ya.
Sko ising utswile ntho tsa gautse.
Moza bana.
Kopa o tsamaye please re busy.
Sisi.
Kopa o tsamaye tu.
Moza.
Sko kopa. Peggy, akubuele.
and then
Propex for it.
amakati phumela into zakho endlini phumela amakati endlini ngomjwayela wena sane yekela sasigqoko yekela
Leather yama couch.
leda yamakhawu mana bamthathaphi lo hayi angijwayela
I love your work, sir. I love your work. Hang on, let me just fit in right here, please. Okay. Yo, girl, I'm at the blazer. Please move to that side.
Who me?
Who else is standing over there and wearing a blazer? Please, come on, move it, man. We don't have all day. Oh, yes. Girl, next to Mr. Governor, please move that side so that girl to push it.
Sorry, why must I move?
Move. Just do what the photographer says. Come, come.
Sasa, let me move and stand in my spots.
Please watch it, December. Shandeka is not pimple face. She just has a big pimple that is on her.
Jeez, thanks, Mr. Governor. As if my day wasn't bad enough already. I can just imagine it. Everybody with perfect pearly whites except for me. Pimplehead.
Oh majaja.
Hayi bo malume, awungiboni manje busy nabethi nani?
Angitshele baby. Uyabelieve kule nto labathi destiny.
Bangaba you don't leave me alone. Yabona nqindi. Will be destined for your face.
Man baby bona man. Yazi uthini? Uyabona umaginyo mbosi. Inyanga yami uthe kimi mina nawe sokhula siguge sithandana.
Joyce is Tati lokwe. Uyise ku clienting please.
Jonga, wena? Sabona.
Bamloyile lo fana ngimise umaginyo imbuzi lo.
Mara ke inyekana mbube.
Hayi man yazi uthini uyahlanya nje lona fanele ukuthi ngikhulume nobheki simxotshe la. Aphelelwa yabona la kimi uzophelelwa umsebenzi ngiyakutshela makhothi lomngani wakho. Uzophelelwa umsebenzi.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Pimple face.
You call me that one more time.
Pimple face.
Ayana ngishaya mpama.
Ushaka mbamba. Hona English sa wena tlolo lwana. Wena wa dithuto. Jola o sa tseba lo theowa. Kore peki. O dutse wa ja ha o le bana ba lwana.
Ngiphiza ngizampini lami atshela abantwana mina
pimple face. She's blocking our way with a huge pimple.
Ayan. Well, at least I didn't get 0 out of 10 and 3 sad faces.
What?
Mom, look. Here's her worksheet, and here's a letter from Mr. Swako Funubona when I school inside Texas.
Later. I'm going to look at the moon, baby.
Kitalo. What do you mean?
Oh, yeah, baby, you mean Dr. Lange? But I don't know that I don't get the one.
Ke bana ga ka le nna ke responsibility ya ka.
No, so for the thing, I like line for one. You know, no.
Oh malume selapha. Yinteni ungangifuma into okwenza nawe na? Yo, hayibo.
Hayi wena, ungazongiphaphela la. Ngihlala la mina usukuthini uthingisela. Wena ohambayo ngokutshela. Umsebenzi wakuphelela wena.
Jonga, uba kophinda waniharasa kwakhona. Yazi, sakucuba umzansi lo for sure mntakabawo uyothina ngeFacebook kuma bonke.
Hayi wena ungazozithusela lana. Mina ngiyakwazi ukucula ngesoprano vele umama wami wangitshela.
Oh.
Futhi wena uyena le ntombi lo magwinyimbuzo bekhuluma ngayo. Yona yinhle. I-dark beauty and in beauty spot la. Uyazi beauty spot? Futhi ihamba kanje. Come in.
Molweni ekhaya. Kunjani? Mono granddad.
Ndicinga uba nasi beauty spot yakho.
Ungenzani umagwinyimbuzo madoda?
Uthele ibhuku. Ewedini ngihambeleyo ukuthi izipika apha uqhubeka. Zidubule mana abafana bajive wethu. Maqonda.
No, Sithanda, no. Wayenda kaphuma kule sikolo.
Bheki ayanda hathi mosikolong se.
Uma nje isikhathi sami kuma nje ngimile lana, ibhizinisi yami imile. Ama-engine itayitara babele mina.
Why u rata complain? Why u le makhala njalo? Umuntu complain all the time. Hayi.
Ngiyasebenza mina ke.
Hayi.
No.
Okay. Ngiyaxolisa unilindisa. Ngiyabonga manje fikile, please. Take a seat.
Take a seat, izwa.
Serious?
Yes.
Hey.
Okay.
Sheila.
Okay, njengoba nazi into esilethe lana, i-progress ka-Ayanda, it's taken a serious nosedive.
Uthe nosedive? Don't exaggerate, Alona. Nosedive? I understand.
Hey, Mr. Zulu, I can assure you, Lena akuyona inhlekisa. This is very serious. As Ayanda has always been one of my brightest students. Kodwa kule viki, uvese waxaka nje. Is there something mhlambe eqhubeka ekhaya?
Kule viki?
Yes.
Hayi, akuna nekuseqhubekayo ekhaya. It's just that unathuswa ke motho mong ka homework kule viki.
Oh, that makes sense.
Hayi man, lalela, yazi bengithini mina mntana sekhaya. Ukuthi lento siyibhekene ngelinye ilihlo yabona. Mhlambe sithenge i-cold drink, abo mistress baphuzwe. Abantwana baphase.
Yazi, kungibribe. Kufana nokufletha ngekusebenzela kimi.
Fletha?
Ayo. Ngicela uphinde tu.
The Zulus. Yeah, that's my family. Far from picture perfect. So it turns out that Ubaba is actually the reason why I'm a great guy and they were dropping, and he finally had to admit to himself that Uma was just a better tutor.
My baby girl, it's not orangey. It's orange. That's my baby.
Ngapha umalume had his own very uncomfortable reality to deal with.
Uphambanisa izinto ungithumelela amasisi boy manje yonke kangisazi mina.
No one is allowed to mention Magwinyimbuzi's name in his presence. And Ayanda, as annoying as she is, turns out she's quite the little genius. Oh. And as for my class photo, the pimple was so small you couldn't even see it. Talk about picture perfect.